Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I tried to join the WhatsApp beta tester program via my new Android mobile, but unfortunately it shows the notification and the message is beta program is full. So how to join this beta tester program? So before going to the tutorial, first of all, what is this beta tester? So in every app maker they test their application by using peoples. So during this period, if any bugs are discovered, they are resolving this issue before they released official version of that application. But one of the main feature of this beta tester is you get the new updates before your friend get it. So my suggestion is this is very interesting one. So how to join this beta program? So just open your Google Chrome web browser in your Android mobile and then search WhatsApp beta tester. So here it shows lots of search results, but I try to access the first link because this is the official page for WhatsApp, but unfortunately it asks for my Gmail account details. So just sign in your account. So finally the sign in process is completed. So here you can scroll down and then I get to the option called become a tester. So just select this link and then it shows welcome to the testing program and you are now a tester. And in bottom also it shows some terms and conditions, and the message is you can leave the testing program at any time and you can switch to the public version of that app if that's available. So once you read these terms and conditions, now you can close all the applications. And once again I try to open my Google Play Store application and then search WhatsApp, but it shows on update notification. So just click to update your WhatsApp Messenger. So now the application starts to downloading, so you can wait for some time. So once the downloading is completed, then it starts to installing. So finally my application is successfully updated to the latest version, and in bottom it shows beta version is still installed and you might want to uninstall and reinstall this application, which means that I get this beta version of WhatsApp. So how to check it if your WhatsApp Messenger is beta version or not? So just click to open your WhatsApp Messenger. And in this section you can click that 3-dot icon and it is located at the almost top of right side. Then go to settings. So in the settings section you can go to help and the final one. So here you can select app info and the final one. So finally here you can see my WhatsApp is successfully updated to the beta tester version. So due to the time consumption I finished up my tutorial. So this is the way you can easily join the beta tester program by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.